Tell you some more about those two birds. There they go right there. Now they know what they're doing. They know I took the camera out. Yep. See him? Yeah. Watch him. If I know those two birds, they're playing games with old Slomo. Yep, here he comes. There he is right there, you see him? Am I telling the truth or not? Huh? That's one of them. I guarantee you. And I'll tell you all sorts of damn things these birds have been doing over the past 20 years. A lot of really interesting things, but now I'm usually the only one that sees it. There's one of them right there. But on several occasions, other people have seen some of the most remarkable things they have done. In reference to my skating, of course. Always have. They start, particularly two of them. Same two. Matter of fact, sometimes I'm driving my car, and I think I can see those same two. One block over, you know. What the hell is that? Damn plane. Well, looks like the chemtrails are out. They're spilling a lot of aluminum over the ocean. Probably think that the animals, maybe they think that the fish can handle that stuff better than the humans seem to. See that streak way over there? That's a good one. Hey doggy. Right up there in the distance. But all those they planted some time ago, those streaks. So they spread out.